Okay, what do you see first? Mailbox, right?
Yeah.
A. Very good. Excellent. Down with the tail. Mail.
L.
Very good. Start at the top. Very good. That's the first part. Mail. Now box. What do you hear? Excellent. Straight down. Loop it up to the dots. Good job. B.
A.
O. Uh-huh. Very good.
Mail.
Let's stop for a second. Let's make these lowercase and then we'll have more room for there, okay? Put it with, mailbox is all one word. So put the B and the O right next to it, but we're going to make lowercase. Look up at your chart for lowercase b, okay? Straight down, loop it up and around, okay? Right, make it right next to your L. Right next to your L. Straight down, loop it up and around. Very good. O starts at the dots. Around and down. Very good. Now where do you hear at the end of mailbox? Box.
X.
Excellent. Good job. Write it in. Okay, so what do you see next?